mostly ngirapha ngeveneka mdat psycho qala ukurapha beat saseku-intro imajority ayisupport ma-introductions controversial operation yama-e-tolls idelivery yami ikhokha amadropha amapipeline phela iviki lokuda witol usiphazo yi-underdog dala ngiphusha umculo underground khipha amathepu back and forth ngizama ngiphusha ngilwa yes I fought ngifreestylile amatrack ngibhalile ngishintsha ama-flows randomly blind ama-fans ngiwagenile feedback ngitholile fana kithi wena ngokurap blind this ain't even a track ngeke usho ukuthi lezi style zamahala dedele freestyle shuthi bonke banamanga nabathi nothing for mahala you should listen to my song ngofuna ukuzoline bamaphaze ngawabhala nginabo 300 bars abayi-2 ngabarelease and yes ngababhala I'm too broke manika ngibone nanokuthi ngayi-afforda i-ghostwriter well I'm a best writer ngi-lyricist I'm not in need of a ghostwriter ngina skillless baye ngaphela imali zakho mawuzama ukusibaya rapper waya dlala ngamagama poetic ngathi ngiyahaya I drop a couple of bars that will confuse you analyze thoroughly before you judge me my lines are like a magician's act I clean my own metaphors asimilise i-lyricist skillful koma-back spiteful opponent ibafuli ngidisa faithful ngidlala ngamagama bayazama bayafosa yabakhipha abanye yabakhama yolenza kelon train lace them on a beat they stay soft I ain't dissing you punk ass get it straight I'm just stating the fact in fact no matter how you take it I'm careless angqizika noma ungathi ngiyaqala ukuqiliba amagwala mawayiqhathazela tatazela asuke saba phela usiphezu hardcore sana kushaya iphantsa one ejimile namandla nepower esikhome bacimile wesemen sweet as I come ngishithi flow kwispeeder ngidla ngiquit sebengidlela umona ngidropile lyrical fitting ngespeeding newspaper keep it up I'm heading up as if ngitravela ngerocket siphezu Don John Dune represent yeah mama